Hi guys, Rockins over here. Before we start this video, make sure to smash that like button. Now we're going to be making a recognizer today. We'll need 2x2 cubes. We'll need 2x3 kind of slanted ones. We'll need 2x4 flat ones. We'll need 1x10 flat ones. We'll need a 2x2 flat one, and we'll need a 1x2 big ones. So let's start out with the 2x2 big ones. We're going to stack them on top of each other 5 times. After you're done stacking them on each other 5 times, well, not 5 times, 2 times, but 5 is the height you want. After you're done with that, then you will want to move on to the feet. So for the feet, you'll need the 1x2 ones and the 6x2 slanted ones and the 2x4 flat ones. To do this, you'll take the 2x4 flat one, stick a 1x2 one of them. You'll need to make 2 of them, and they won't be on different sides. They'll have to be on the same side. Once you're done with that, you take the 3x2 slanted ones, and then you put them on the rest of the open space. After you're done with that, you'll take the legs and you'll connect them to the feet, and then it shall end up like this. We're gonna put that to the side now. We're gonna take the 1x10 flat ones and the 2x2 flat one, and we're going to put the 2x2 flat one in the middle, and then we're going to take the legs back and we're going to put them on the edge with the feet facing inwards. We're done with the feet and the body, this part of the recognizer, and now we'll have to take our 2x6s, our 2x4s, our 2x2 slanted, our 2x6 slanted up, and our 2x6. When you have that, you'll take one of the 2x6s and you'll take another 2x6 and you'll put them on top of each other. You can put it on the base right now, but I prefer not to. And then you'll take the 2x6 slanted upward ones and put them on not the very edge, but the second to each edge. And then after that, you'll take the 2x3 and you'll put it on top of the slanted up ones. After that, you got almost the body. Then you'll take the 2x2 slanted down ones. You'll put them on the edge is facing outwards. Then you'll take 2 2x4s and you'll put them in the middle. And then you'll take a 2x6 and you'll put it right in the middle of the 2x4. And after you're done with that, you're gonna take the 2x4 and you're just gonna take those 2x2s slanted and put it on the top. And then you put it on top of the 2x6. And that's how you make a recognizer. Over and out.